Hi everyone. So this is what the KitBox looks like before the cats open their presents. Of course, Willis is right here, ready to check it out. Oh, there. What's in there, Willis? Anything interesting? No? Not today? Hi, Prince. Prince is over here putting his claws on Mommy's leg. Don't do that, please. That hurts. There you go, big boy. No, nothing interesting this time? Let's see. What can we find in here? They wrap these up so nice. Let's see, we got a pillow. Oh, there he goes. And we've got, what is this? Looks like a crab. Do you want the crab? Crab? Catnip? It has cat grass seeds. So that means Mommy's going to have to try to grow something in the house. And then we've got a fish toy. Oh, look at Prince over here. He's like, oh, come on, Prince, roll over again. No? He's all happy that Mommy's home, but doesn't want to. And we got a fish. Oh, did you guys see that? Fish, pink fish. Pink fish. And then we've got a disc with a feather. And then what else? Oh, and then we've got a Feathered Fun Instinct toy. And then we've got tissue paper for Prince. Try it on. There you are. Prince likes tissue paper a lot. Don't you, big boy? Yeah, I don't think baby's coming back. I don't think baby wants to be awake at this time of the day. We tried. It doesn't look like Willis wants to be awake at this time of the day either. Look at him. He's just like a kitten. It's like, yeah, I'm done. If it's okay with you, Mom, I'll play with these later. I don't think you've killed it enough, Prince. Look at Willis, is so funny. Oh, that's my cats for you. This is my front room, which I pretty much turned into a cat room. I have a little bit of storage in here, but otherwise it's like a regular sized living room with like nothing else but cat things in it. I've got these tunnels that I set up next to the window that are held in place with this one storage tote. And then when I have new tissue paper, I usually put it over the corner right over there. And the cats like to run through the tissue paper. I just kind of drape it over. And then what they'll do is they'll not only go underneath and around through the tubes, but they will attack each other through the tissue paper that I put on top. And then this tube comes out here going into some of my storage stuff in the corner. And then into the other room, but they also have this tunnel here that they've had for a really long time that they like to play with, but this one is mobile. This one's really light and crinkly, whereas these are actually thick cardboard covered in cloth. So, and I got those for free on Craigslist. So, and then the back closet is blocked off and the rest of the room is theirs. But I must have interrupted their nap time. So we'll see if we can get more footage on them later. Thank you so much for watching.